crypto side. So those sponsorships pay ridiculous amounts of money. And I rarely do sponsorships because most of this shit is garbage. So for these big YouTubers to see 8% and not have any red flags hit them in the face shows me that they don't understand even the basic concepts of finance and risk and how they are putting the risk onto their followers. People look at financial YouTubers and they decide their credibility based on their net worth. They think their net worth was gained through something like real estate investing or trading or anything like that, when in reality, they got most of their money from YouTube. I mean, when Andrei Jihk started, his original channel wasn't even financial, and then it went to some weird magic financial combo, and it started as financial minimalism. I don't spend that much money at all. And now he like blows $1 million on Pokemon cards. And then it was dividend investing. And then it went, wait, no, dividend investing doesn't make any sense because you're going to pay a bunch of taxes on it. Why are you paying a bunch of taxes on it? Because he's in the highest tax bracket probably possible, because he's making so much money from YouTube and the sponsorships. So people see these people with lots of money and they think, well, they must have sort of credibility to them because they're so rich. They must be doing something right with their money. When in reality, the only thing they're doing right is posting videos to YouTube and using sponsorships. I just don't think that they actually care about you. I don't see it with Andrei Jihk. I don't see it with MeetKevin. I kind of see it with Stephan. And they're making millions of dollars off of you guys. And that's it. That's the end of the story. And then they invest it or whatever, and some of them do it better than others. I'm sure Stephan has a pretty well-diversified portfolio because he's an intelligent guy. MeetKevin is doing all in on house hack, taking 40 million or more now, way more than that now, and putting it a house hack where there is no guaranteed IPO within 10 years. And even if they do IPO in 10 years, you might not actually have a return on your money. He's doing a startup, one-man startup with $40+ million. It's fucking insane. And then you have Andrei Jihk, who just mixes magic with finance. And his version of finance is buying Pokemon cards, a shitload of crypto at the top, and dividend investing. That's what it used to be. And then eventually switched from dividend investing. And so people are like following him around like, okay, wait, Pokemon cards, wait, crypto.
Most of crypto is more so gambling than it is investing.
Wait, dividend investing, wait, not dividend investing, wait, financial minimalism, wait, not financial minimalism, because he's not a financial minimalist when he's buying like $1 million worth of Pokemon cards or whatever the fuck. Who the fuck are these people? Are they even worth listening to? Am I worth listening to? The only reason I'm worth listening to is because I'm the only person who talks like a normal fucking human being when they're talking to a camera. I don't just open up a fucking Google Chrome tab and find a bunch of article titles that I can put in my video so they pop up with the article title and don't even delve into the articles. And that's a roast on Andrei Jihk. And the bloat face isn't funny. And MeetKevin didn't talk about his DUI. Why didn't he talk about his DUI like a man? Address it. Say we make mistakes. Human beings make mistakes, and some people be mad and leave. They already did. Your dishonesty, because you were shit-faced in that DUI video. Whenever there's a lot of money to be had, it just corrupts people. It corrupts them. And the fact that when they all saw 8% return, nobody had a red flag. Nobody. Behemoths of finance couldn't see that, and they fucked you. They fucked you over. And now they're going to start apologizing. I'm so sorry, but guess what? You're fucked. They're not, because they can make the money back in a single fucking day. They have millions of dollars, and they get paid tons of money on YouTube. They get tons of money in sponsorships. Yeah, it just makes me pissed off. Nobody's perfect. People make mistakes. They make mistakes. I wish the people on the finance side of YouTube would just tone it down a fucking bit and just be real. That's what I wish.
We've made videos about this before, how weird it is that it's like, wait a minute, where are you getting that money from? Why are you paying 5 to 7% for my cash? And obviously they're lending it out. But the problem is when people sign up for this, it's not entirely clear that their money is being lent out. It's surprising to me that it's taken them 9 months to talk about this. But state regulators say some interest-bearing accounts linked or with billions of dollars in deposits appear to be unregistered securities that aren't disclosing their risks to investors. The warnings come out of states like New Jersey, Alabama, and Kentucky, which are among the states which have brought actions against BlockFi and its affiliates. Which, by the way, if you want to sign up for BlockFi, make sure to go to MeetKevin.com/BF. BlockFi.
You should vet who you're putting your money with. And if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Putting your cryptocurrency somewhere where it's going to get an 8% APY or whatever. Does that not sound too good to be true? When you can't get a high yield savings account that's above 0.05% or whatever in a 0% interest rate environment. Does that sound too good to be true? It probably is. So here's the big takeaway from everything that's happened. Don't listen to financial YouTubers all the time. Vet their information. You are also responsible for vetting your own decisions. Just because some guy with a lot of money, because they get paid a ton of money on YouTube, says deposit money with BlockFi, doesn't mean BlockFi is safe. But at the same time, it says literally in his video title, the safest way to invest in BlockFi or whatever. So I guess maybe the blame is mostly on them. I've just become so disenchanted with the money hungriness of financial YouTubers and their inability to communicate like normal human beings. Why do they talk so fucking weird? Why do you guys watch them? Don't trust everything a financial YouTuber says, because they're just people. They're not some bigger than life person. They're just people who've made a ton of money on YouTube. That's it. Where's the sponsorships? Any sponsorships? Actually, yeah, you can grab some free Weeble stocks in the description below, and it makes me money. Also, deposit your cryptocurrency with BlockFi, and you can get up to 200.
And I try to make a very clear point that I've always felt a little